Good morning, my dear children. This is 15th module of Unit 3 SQL. In this module, we are going to discuss about sorting or arranging table data. As you all know about how to sort table data. Either we can sort in ascending order or in descending order. My dear children, by default, record or records will come in the output in the same order in which it was entered. To see the output rows in sorted either in ascending or descending order, SQL provide a clause which is termed to be order by. By default, output will be ascending. To see the output in descending order, we use DESC clause, descending order clause with order by. My dear children, look at the example. Select star from EMP, order by name. So, the compiler automatically goes to the column name, that is name. Then, it rearrange all the records according to the ascending order, that is A to Z. Then it will display to the programmer. Look at the next one. Order by salary DESC. That means the salary which will be displayed in the order of descending. That is largest to smallest. We can now also give two column names along with the order by. Only thing, we need to provide comma to separate two columns. So, how the compiler will work is, first, it will rearrange according to the first column, then goes for the next column given. By default, we will get the second column given sorting. The SQL order by clause is used to store the data in ascending or descending order based on one or more column. This clause sorts the records in ascending order by default. Therefore, in order to sort the records in descending order, we need to use DESC. Consider a table given in the slide. Here, if we are giving the query like select roll number, name, mark from student, order by name. So, the compiler goes to the name column, then it rearranges the records. Not only the name, it rearranges the roll number and marks accordingly. As we discussed, the order by clause can have two or more columns along. Also, we can use the alias name for columns. Look at the example given. Select roll number, name, marks. As is the keyword which is used for giving alias name. Here I use the alias name as marks obtained. This marks obtained can be used along with the order by clause. The resultant is similar as it is having order by marks. My dear children, I think you are all clarified about order by clause, how it works with the columns, and one or more columns we can give with order by clause. By default, the sorting is done in ascending order only. Thank you.